Did you know there's a creature that can regrow its limbs, breathe underwater and on land, and never really grows up? Welcome to the fascinating world of the axolotl, a creature that seems like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Stick around to find out why this unique amphibian is a true wonder of nature. Today, I'm going to tell you about an absolutely amazing animal, the axolotl. If you've never heard of it, you're in for a surprise. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, is an amphibian that defies the usual rules of nature. While most amphibians, like frogs, undergo metamorphosis to transition from aquatic to terrestrial life, the axolotl remains in its larval form throughout its entire life. This means it keeps its external gills and youthful appearance, even when it reaches sexual maturity. This condition is called neoteny, and it's one of the reasons why the axolotl is so fascinating. Imagine a human being who never really ages, staying eternally young while still being able to reproduce. Incredible, right? But that's not all. The axolotl is also famous for its ability to regenerate. Unlike most animals, which can't regenerate important body parts, the axolotl can regenerate not only its limbs, but also parts of its heart, spinal cord, and even its brain. Yes, you heard that right. If an axolotl loses a leg, it can grow a new one, perfectly functional, in just a few weeks. This extraordinary ability makes the axolotl a true marvel of nature. Imagine a world where humans could regrow limbs or repair damaged organs just like the axolotl. It's a fascinating prospect that shows just how ingenious nature can be. The axolotl is native to the lakes of Mexico, particularly Lake Xochimilco. This lake, once vast, has been shrinking over the years due to urbanization, pollution, and the construction of canals. Sadly, this has severely impacted the axolotl's natural habitat. And today, the axolotl is considered a critically endangered species in the wild. In these lakes, axolotls spend most of their lives in the water, hiding among aquatic plants to escape predators. They are particularly well suited to this environment, with webbed feet for swimming and external gills that allow them to extract oxygen directly from the water. However, they also have rudimentary lungs, which means they can breathe at the surface if necessary. This duality makes them incredibly adaptable, even in challenging conditions. The axolotl is not only distinguished by its biological capabilities, but also by its place in Mexican culture. In Aztec mythology, the axolotl is associated with the god Xolotl, the god of lightning and death. Legend has it that Xolotl, to escape death, transformed himself into an axolotl. This is how this animal became a symbol of transformation and survival. This mythology has contributed to the mystique surrounding the axolotl and has inspired many works of art and legends. Even today, the axolotl is a powerful symbol in Mexico, representing resilience and adaptability, two traits that the axolotl perfectly embodies. In addition to being a subject of fascination for their unique appearance and incredible abilities, axolotls have also become popular pets. With their feathery gills, adorable expressions, and curious behavior, they have captured the hearts of many animal lovers around the world. They are relatively easy to care for, which makes them ideal for both beginner and experienced aquarists. Axolotls come in a variety of colors, ranging from black to gray to white, leucistic and albino. This diversity of colors adds to their popularity, as each axolotl has a slightly different appearance. The axolotl has also become an icon in popular culture, especially in Mexico, where it is deeply respected and often depicted in art and mythology. Whether as a symbol of resilience or simply for its unique and endearing appearance, the axolotl continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. In short, the axolotl is much more than just an amphibian. It's a creature that defies the conventions of nature, able to regenerate limbs, stay young forever, and adapt to its environment like few other species can. Unfortunately, due to the loss of its natural habitat, the axolotl is critically endangered. But thanks to conservation efforts and the fascination it inspires worldwide, we still have a chance to protect this marvel of nature. The next time you see an axolotl, whether it's in an aquarium or in a photo, remember that you are in the presence of one of the most extraordinary animals on our planet. The axolotl reminds us that nature is full of mysteries and wonders waiting to be discovered. So, what do you think? Did you learn something new about axolotls? Share your stories or questions in the comments below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to discover other wonders of the world around us.